Welcome to the AP Human Geography Unit 2 Population Crash Course. In this episode, we will be looking at a model that allows demographers to predict development based off of population. First up is the Epidemiological Transition Model, or ETM for short. The Epidemiological Transition Model looks identical to the Demographic Transition Model, only this model looks at what the causes of deaths and birth rate patterns are. This model categorizes countries into one of 5 stages. The model tracks major shifts in patterns of disease and causes of death that affect the level and character of mortality in a population. This is directly connected with DTM stages and allows us to infer development. The first stage in the ETM model is the age of pestilence and famine. The main causes of death in this stage are pestilence, famine, and lack of protection from the elements. In this stage, there is a very low life expectancy and death rates are very high. Most people are hunter-gatherers with no permanent settlements. The main causes of death in a country that's in the first stage of the ETM model are famine and plague, both of which indicate a lack of development. In stage 2 of the ETM model, the crude death rate falls, but not immediately. The receding pandemics, improved sanitation, nutrition, and medicine all help to decrease the crude death rate in this stage. Agricultural surplus and domestication allow countries to transition into this stage and continue on developing into the next stages. Stage 3 of the ETM model is characterized by degenerative and human-created diseases. The deaths occurring from infectious diseases decreases, and we're living long enough to finally see natural diseases. The death rate finally drops in this stage and balances out with the birth rate. In stage 4 of the ETM model, the degenerative diseases that appear in stage 3 begin to occur later in life. Efforts are made to encourage activities that will delay these degenerative diseases. Medical advances are also made to cure or prevent the effects of these degenerative diseases. After overcoming the degenerative diseases in stages 3 and 4, countries will now enter stage 5 of the ETM model, in which infectious diseases from stages 1 and 2 re-emerge in mutated forms. The ETM model faces many criticisms, including the fact that stage 5 may never happen and hasn't. Many countries also skip stages in the ETM model, proving that development is not quite as sequential as this model proves it to be.